Assalamu alaikum. Hello friend, I am architect Minarul. Today I talk about very important command that is called multiline and multiline setting. We get multiline in the draw toolbar and it is short form ML from keyboard. Example, this is draw toolbar, I click here, this is multiline. First I select multiline on the multiline command. I go to draw toolbar and I select multiline. Then I press first specify the first point in the page and I click int point. Then I press enter for out of command. Another method, I press ML from keyboard and press enter and first point and end point, then enter. Now I show different style of multiline. Press ML, then enter and click J, then press enter. For justify the start point of multiline. Every multiline have 3 points, top, bottom and 0. I click Z for 0 starting 0 point starting multiline, then enter. I click first point and end point, then press enter for out of command. I select this multiline, this is starting point 0 and select this multiline, this is starting point top. Again I press ML from keyboard, then press enter, then I press Z enter and B enter for bottom, first point and end point. Then press enter for out of command. This select here starting point, bottom point. Another style, I press ML from keyboard and enter and I press S and press enter for scale. Now I press measurement. Example, I give 7 inch. Press enter. First point and second point. Then press enter out of command. This is multiline. First line and second line distance 7 inch. Now I show multiline setting. I go to format from menu bar. Here have multiline style. This is I click multiline style. Then I click new for new multiline. I give here name of new multiline. Then I click continue. Here have two line, top and bottom. If you want more line, click add. Then I select top line. Here I give 5 inch for offset and I give color red color. Then I select middle line. I give here color blue. Then I give here line type, click line type. Here 3 line type. I want more line type. So I click load. Here I select ISO dash space, then OK. Here it is, I click and OK. Then I select bottom line. Here I give minus 5 inch and give color red. Then I click OK. Then I click OK. So I press ML from keyboard and press enter and I press L from style and press enter and press A, that is I created multiline, then press enter and I press first point and I click end point, then I press enter for out of command. This is different multiline. Hope you are understand. If you get benefit for my video, please like, comment, share. Assalamu alaikum.